Welcome to another new video, guys. Have your fun. Stay safe.
On to an apology from a member of this girl band. Yeah, Jenny from Blackpink there. Her label says she's sorry after a video of her vaping indoors caused controversy in South Korea that showed her blowing smoke into a makeup artist's face. Says she wants to apologise for everyone who felt uncomfortable with it and to her disappointed fans. But no disappointment if you're an England fan who's dreading the thought of more extra time and penalties. Well, they're a good thing, says Captain Harry Kane.
There's something special about coming through those moments and building that togetherness from that.
It says tonight England play the Netherlands in Germany for a place in Sunday's Euros final. Boss Gareth Southgate's side were beaten in the last Euros final, but he says things are a bit different this time.
Each tournament we've been to, there are slight differences to the team, definitely this time with the squad, so for a lot of them this is their first experience.
Kick-offs at 8, Spain will play the winners, and some cricket too. England are bowling against the West Indies in day one of their test series. It's currently 61-3. This is Newsbeat, we're back at 2:30.
BBC Sounds app on the radio and ask your smart speaker to play Radio 1. This is Radio 1.
Come on then. Going to indicate. You know, it's not going to stop here, is she? Come on. Come on. Stopping here. There's no fucking. There's no giveaway line, is there, you fucking idiot?
Get him? me that's a massive draw. And yet I'm also thinking you're a Rangers fan and you signed for Rangers.
Yeah, but it was the local team, so what Rangers had done.
Yeah, sort of like an average.
For your community, I was training with Rangers within my community. But I remember the dog getting chapped. Davey come play with us, come and play with us. It's the pub team. The pub team, and I shouldn't have been playing with the pub team because I was affiliated with Rangers and affiliated with a local club that I was registered.
And that's how the contract works with them. Yeah. You don't play with the pub team because presumably you could get injured.
I snapped my leg into it. So I snapped my leg into it.
With the pub team.
Bye bye. Where you go? And that kind of curtailed between 16 and 18. I started playing pub football.
Right. And was there a different culture associated?
Yeah. So,